XLM and XRP holders, this last week has been filled with great news, but the market is down big over this last week. I'm going to tell you why, what's coming up ahead, and what you can do about it. So let's go screen and explore the news. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Heat map up on the screen. So what's the story? What's caused all of this right now? Inflation. Yep, inflation. The report came out and it is another 40-year high. We hit 8.6% when 8.3% was actually projected. So inflation is heating up even more. So with the recent good news between Stellar's XLM and Ripple Labs XRP, you could see that the market is not reacting to the news. The market is listening to inflation data. What's interesting about this, though, is that the market is not only taking inflation data, but they're taking current news and putting that into it a little bit. What do I mean by that? Look at Ethereum up on the screen. They're down 15.6%, way higher than anything else. BNB down 12.3%. But look, Bitcoin only down 6%, XRP down 8%. So why is BNB down? Ethereum delaying the release of their 2.0, right? Investors pull more money out with that. BNB, why are they down? SEC investigation stories I've covered this week. So you can see that inflation news, toppled on now with negative individual project news, is leading to extreme retraction in prices. So now what can you do about it? It's actually pretty simple. Watch this video right here that tells you the dates of the reports coming up. Now, what's interesting is if you believe that the big play, if inflation right now, that's the big play. If you think inflation is going to keep staying hot, then we know that's going to keep putting more negative pressure on our favorite cryptos out there. So what is the next big date? The next big dates are June 14th and 15th. That's when the Feds meet and they're going to decide to probably do a 75 basis point hike. Now, we've known the 50-point hike was here, but with this recent inflation data, I think we can see that 75-point hike. In fact, when we go back to the heat map, one could almost say that, yep, they are pricing in a 75-point hike right there. Interesting. Now, if you don't think the market is pricing that in, then you could expect prices to go even lower. My thinking is this: if they drop that 75, it's going to take the markets down with it anyways, for people that have had their head in the sand, not following the news like we have. So as we've seen, the market is reacting more to inflation than positive news regarding cryptos, but negative news is sending those individual cryptos down. So what can we all do about it? Best thing you can do, watch that video and write down on your calendar the dates of the big events that are coming up. With inflation being the forerunner right now, the one that's leading this downward move, look for calendar events that have to do with inflation. And you know what? I am going to do a monthly calendar video for you guys every month. So look forward to that.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.